Miami. We just got to my mom's house. This will not be any type of like partying vlog in any shape, way, or form. I grew up in Miami, so I'm just kind of visiting friends. One friend and my mom and some family. But yeah, we just got here and my stepdad just left to pick up my mom. She's doing her hair, and he picked us up and we bought some pan de queso and croquetas and coconut pastelitos, which are my favorite. So this is gonna be more of like a normal Miami vlog. This is no partying whatsoever, at least not this one. But yeah, I'm super excited. We have some plans this afternoon to see my friend. There's John. And we both have headaches from our flight. So in our flight today, I swear, I mean, it said that it had Wi-Fi, right? Like when we booked it. Yeah, so it definitely said Wi-Fi, and I'm pretty sure I heard an announcement during like the beginning of the flight that they had like free Apple Music on the Wi-Fi or something when we hadn't even left yet. And then in the air, everybody was like checking for the Wi-Fi constantly, and it never worked. So we just had to sit there. I don't know if that's like, is that normal like right now, or is it just that plain? Like I have no idea. But between like the masks and just like everything being weird, and like I hadn't planned for anything. Normally I download something to watch on the way there, like on my tablet or something, just like offline. I didn't do that. So I was just so bored for like 3 hours, and like I tried to sleep, my neck hurts and stuff. I'm just glad we're here and we're just gonna eat some food. So here are coconut pastelitos and our pan de queso and some croquetas. So my stepdad has this thing for his back. John, oh my god.
It's gonna be more funny when they like show up.
And you're like doing this.
Oh, the pictures. That is so strange.
You're gonna like break the glass.
You know what?
What?
I think this is supposed to clamp because I'm starting to like. Yeah. Because I was gonna like, I was starting to like slide off of it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're good. What do you think?
So wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot watch this. So wait, like, do you stay like that? Oh my god, that's like freaking me out. Hey, let me show your face.
What do you think? What do you think their neighbors think of Eddie doing this? He probably does it at like.
I mean, there's curtains, they can't see them. Or blinds.
He probably greets the world every day.
Hey world.
8 a.m. Do your back stretching.
Oh my god. So wait, you just do this?
Yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to just chill here. All the blood is rushing to my head. Oh.
Is your back straight now? Like upside down, like a bat?
It didn't go far enough to
Like
really...
don't bats hold their legs up and then flop back down?
No, I'm just saying I would like.
You would like.
Further.
You're addicted now? Is what you're saying?
No, maybe it's like a step. You can change how far it goes. I'm not going to.
Maybe you can ask him for him to show us. We're on our way to see my best friend.
BFF.
Do you want to say something, John?
Nope.
It's so bright. We're going to see her house that I haven't seen. She moved last year and I haven't been here since she moved. And we're gonna meet her new baby, Luna. Just haven't seen them and her little home. And we're gonna have dinner there. So it should be nice. Just wanted to add really quickly that I did change. I even told Monica, I'm like, don't get too cute because I'm not gonna change. I was wearing the long sleeve black shirt and I decided to wear this shirt that I actually am planning to wear maybe when we go kayaking. Just because it's really like breezy on the side and I kind of love this style. And John told me to. But did you miss it?
Make a U-turn.
Make a U-turn. yeah, so I decided that I'm gonna put this on because I was so hot and I wore sandals too. Definitely need to get a pair of shorts. Hi, Cece. Hi. Hello. 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 Oh, hi. Good first meeting. I'll see you in a second. Are you not letting me in?
Where are your pants?
Hi. Hi. Hi, Luna. Hi.
These are my books. I'm gonna show you a book that we can read together.
Yeah?
Now we are gonna read
So
this
funny.
book, the flashlight. Yeah, the flashlight. One wants the big ones.
I want the little one.
Oh, here's the little one.
What do we do with the flashlights?
We are gonna find something. Okay, let's find something here. Ah! Oh, what is this? Now it's time to find the octopus.
You found it.
Yes. Okay, now it's time to find the snake. When I find the snake, say ah! Okay?
Okay.
Ah! Go and see yours. Go and see yours. Okay, it's time to find the crab. There's the crab.
Oh, that looks so nice. It's so interesting.
Okay, now it's time to find the anchor. Oh, there's the anchor. Why is it on the bottom?
Because it falls. It's heavy.
Anchor sinks.
Yeah, they sink because they're very heavy. So today is Sunday and so much has happened already. It's like 2 p.m. and we were supposed to go kayaking with my friend Gabby and her husband, and I honestly did not see the message. I feel absolutely terrible. I sent her like a million messages trying to see how we could like set something up instead. But today my mom, I had requested fish, fried fish, and my mom's like, let's make tamales too. So today that's what we were supposed to do. They're out trying to get the fish because apparently there's no fish anywhere. You know, Miami, no fish. But anyways, we're trying to do that, and yeah, I found out that Gabby was available. Anyway, long story short, we're gonna have our meal, and I got dressed. I put this beautiful Hill House dress that I bought for this trip. This is the one that goes like up to the sleeves like this, but I kind of like it off. It's a little bit more flirty. So is this even focused? There you go. But yeah, we're just waiting to make that, and we're just gonna have a chill day here. I did message Gabby to see if I could hang out with her, and Monica's coming here as well, my friend that we saw yesterday, with her baby, so we'll relax as well here. So I'm just gonna also show you my mom. She's in the kitchen. And this is my mom. Esta es mi mamá.
Hola.
Isabel. Chabela. Está aquí con los chicharrones, la carne que va a ir en los tamales. Y vamos a hacer tamales. Aquí tiene para echarle adentro. Y después enseño los tamales como quedan. Aquí están los maíces y la harina que ya la compramos. Y van a quedar súper riquísimos.
Aquí preparando, sofriendo lo que va a ir dentro de los tamales. Luego tenemos las especias que le vamos a poner dentro y tenemos las hojitas más la masa de maíz para esos buenos tamales cubanos. Mira, ahora que el agua está caliente, se pone primero a calentar el agua y mira, mueve todo esto, le echa sal, yo le echo un poquito de azúcar, un poquito de leche para que la afloje, leche de vaca, que siente grasa para que lo ponga más suave, lo mueve, tú sabes cómo eso queda, a ver qué rico, que la grasa es la que lo pone más suave, ¿ves? Muévelo completo y ahora vamos a hacer uno.
Y tú ablandaste la masa. ¿Qué le echaste a la masa?
La masa le echo
A la harina. Bueno, a la harina.
para que esté más blandita.
Porque no vino en polvo o algo.
Ella vino así molida, pero
ya estaba molida.
está molida, viene molida. Pero le echo un poquito de leche vaca para ponerla por si el maíz viene algún maíz duro. La pongo la masa más suave. Le echo un poquito de azúcar. El sofrito, un poquito de sal. Y ahora vamos a hacer el primero paso. Cuando a veces la soja está un poquito dura, se puede poner otro ojito para que cierre. Hacerle cuerpecito. Ay. Hacerle cintura porque la hoja está dura. No apretarlo mucho. Empezamos ya el final proceso para que ya termine de cocinarse. Le pongo la tapa 45 minutos.
Enséñame qué hiciste. Wow. Chum, what are you doing? Qué bueno. Y ahora vas a freír pescado. A ver, enséñame.
Quedaron buenos.
Qué rico. Comerlo ahora. Gracias. Ok, bye.
What do I have to do?
Just eat your tamale.
Frías,
Remove
yeah.
it like a gift.
So like this is.
Yes. Just
Pull it down. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow, it's like getting married and removing that.
Oh, like the garter.
Yeah.
Okay, chéjale. Practicing.
You did.
Oh, Monica's here. Hello. Scissors are so close to my eye.
Monica, look, you can cut it.
Wow, there you go.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. What an experience. We're on our way to South Beach. We're supposed to meet a coworker of his. We're not sure if we're going to be able to meet him since they were on the way back from Key West. But either way, we really wanted to go at least once to South Beach, have dinner there. Hopefully it's not too crazy since it's been like kind of crazy in the news because of spring break. I think it'll be fine, but it's also a full moon. Let me see. Yeah, I got dressed. I wanted to get a little bit dressier up. I never really do. And I figured this trip was just a good time to spice up my wardrobe a little bit and my boring t-shirts and jeans. John seems to like it, so that's good. 105. What was that?
Excellent.
We had a ceviche, a risotto with like churrasco or like, oh, and then the pulpo, like the calamari type of octopus appetizer. So good.
Show me. What is it supposed to be? No, 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 no. Get back there. Get back there. Show me what you wanted to show me with the dress. Oh, okay. But I'm walking to, I don't know where, because I'm not looking where I'm going to sing. Oh, okay.
I wasn't walking that much.